Yo, we're back. Another video. Yesterday, I thought I'd be more mad because, I closed the trade so early on accident. But I realized that if I did add on to the trade with 60 more contracts, I would have moved to break even and then I would have got stopped out of break even anyways. So I would have lost compared to being up 500. But I shouldn't have tried to go break even anyways because of, you know, uh, because I haven't really been trading that long enough to be adding on to contracts. So I should still trade how I like to trade. I should be trading, not adding on to contracts. It's too much stress. Okay, we traded. Okay, the daily time frame, we've got that low there. This low here to target. There's an imbalance of volume there, opening up. Oh, wow, it's a big opening up there. 4 hour. Let's see. Just straight ticks down. This could be a potential target. High up there. Oh, equalize even. On NQ. If we're bullish at least. For bearish, you could want to go down to those lows right there. Daily lows even. So we're in a 4 hour fair value gap. We've tested it multiple times and now we're kind of breaking through it. So that makes me a bit more bearish. I could leave that opening gap for another day, next week even. So yeah, respect to this 2 hour gap. It's also a 1 hour, I guess. Yeah. So what we look for, maybe either we plummet down and look for longs back up there, or retrace and then we plummet down. Let's see where equilibrium is. There. Encroachment or whatever it is ICT calls it. Equilibrium on this as well. And also I'm gonna keep using the strategy I've been using, because yesterday I was kind of conflicted between the new ICT strategy I learned and the one I've already been using. And it's not good to switch strategies when you're learning. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to this 5-minute one where I look for like manipulations, manipulation, retrace, entry, compared to that 1-minute order block stuff, which I've been backtesting a bit. It has been working, but I haven't really been on this strategy long enough to say that it's not working as well. So I can't just switch up, So until I've fully learned or finished that ICT bootcamp, I'm not going to switch yet. I'll keep in the back of my mind, to see if, kind of like forward testing. I'll see, oh, okay, if I were to do this, it would have played out. If I were to do that, it would have played out. Or it wouldn't have. So yeah, we'll see. So far, I've been getting a lot of down candles. For us to be bearish, I want to see a displacement below this low. Because we did kind of sweep yesterday's lows. 15-minute. 95 value gaps I could tap into. Got one here. And then Q is up here. Let's see which one is the more bearish pair. It looks like ES with that SMT up there. That's equal highs, so this could be weak. Yeah, I'm kind of bearish so far. We're fully bearish on displays below this low. And yeah, catch and move back up. Okay, market opens in 2 minutes. Looks like we might get that displacement. Okay, that's also a 30-minute gap. Yeah, basically on both pairs. Okay, 1 minute till open. Damn. Let's see. Let's see what we got. 18 seconds to market open. And a 30-minute kind of closure. We're going up. Basically made equal lows. Oh, that is actually equal lows. Okay. I don't think that's gonna last a while though. Beautiful day outside. I mean, that 5-minute retrace could be enough confirmation for a continuation back lower, but I'd prefer we tapped into that gap. You feel me? All right, let me check that news candle. Yeah, and we also have the high to sweep on the news candle. With there being that SMT there, boom, you might want to go back into that. So yeah, I really don't think I'm going to look for a short until we get that or displacement below that low, showing that we're not going to retrace back up there. I sounded smart for a second there. So yeah, there's a news candle taken on ES and tapping into that 30-minute / 15-minute fair value gap. SMT out of it. You would want change in state of delivery. So price trading below this, if this candle closes bullish, trade below that. We tap into the order block, which would be this candle. Boom, retrace that. Or we make a fair value gap here, inverse it. It's another entry. Okay, NQ is the one that got there first. So either way, we can take the trade on whichever pair. We haven't really hit any key level of liquidity to start a reversal off yet. Unless this one kind of counts as one. One right there. Did we tap that? Not in this pair. Yeah, we did tap it on NQ though. Let's see what we got. Okay, no inverse yet. right? In a short here, 19 contracts. Break even at this low. TP at 6828.5. God damn. Holy shit, what is that? Yeah, let's start rejecting that, bro. I don't like that candlestick. Mm. Oh shit, I'm cooked here, bro. Damn. Probably should have put my stop above that. It's like up there. No way this plummets down now, bro. Well, either way, I'm done for the day, so goodbye.